Kepada ibu simpan kepada sebuah IP ni ke channel non KHUBOR. Dalam mi result jangka personal interview ke post jangka lower division against kepada jangka office of the deputy commissioner Eastern West Khasi district Mairang. Dengan cipli ni notice apa kau kumna. Ini mah pelingannya. The result of the personal interview for post of lower division assistant 2024 conducted by the district election committee Eastern West Khasi district on 17 March 2026 is hereby declared. The list of the successful candidates recommended by the district selection committee in order of merit are as follows. The candidates mah nomor result jangka personal interview jangka LDA kalau kami minta the cipli ni candidates mah apa di enter the play with serial number one. The number 1 cement the day shisha kara swai on reserve kahap category on reserve. The number 2 Shri 1 Kerlang Dakhar tur hapa category on reserve. The number 3 Shri Desmond D Royal Shangpliang tu pan hapa category kasihan saja or garu. The number 4 cement Safety Angel Lingdo Kanchi tur hapa category kasihan saja or garu mah. The number 5 Shri Kermans Camp El Nongbri tur hapa category kasihan saja. The number 6 Shri Kamkorlang Lingdo Nonglan tur hapa category kasihan saja. The number 7 Elvin Job Lang Nongrum tur hap kasihan saja kategori ka hap kategori kasihan saja. The number 8 Shri Aibok Lang Lindo Nonglan tur hap kategori kasihan saja. The number 9 Shri Aibor Lang El Marshallong tur hap kategori kasihan saja. The number 10 Shri Kevin Son Maulong tur hap kategori kasihan saja. The number 11 Smith Lamat Tihun El Nonglan tur hap kasihan saja hap kategori kasihan saja. Itu ni apa? The recommendation of the candidate shall confer no claim for appointment unless the appointment authority is satisfied after such inquiry as may be considered necessary that the candidate is or are suitable in all respect. The KHUBOR ni pi papet ini video. Kepada pi share, like, subscribe. The KHUBOR ni pi